Let's see how to change letter spacing in your Wix website. Changing letter spacing in Wix allows you to adjust the spacing between characters to improve readability and design aesthetics. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to modify letter spacing in your Wix website. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and access the page where you want to modify the text. Then, click on the text box you wanted to modify, then right-click, click the Edit Text, scroll down and find Character and Line Spacing. In the Text Settings toolbar, click on the Character Spacing option. Next, use the slider or input field to increase or decrease the space between letters. Adjust it to your preference. Once done, click outside the toolbox to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you change letter or character spacing in your Wix website. See you soon.